Welcome to day 1 of the 21 baby steps to an organized home with the Fly Lady system. Yes, if you're unfamiliar with the Fly Lady system, it is a system that really just teaches us how to keep our homes clean, and she has these baby steps that are really good for beginners who'd like to learn more about the Fly Lady system. I gave a more detailed explanation of the Fly Lady system in the previous video, so please make sure you watch that if you're just starting here. And I also have this free printable that you can go to the link below and download so that we can work together. It's sort of like a 21-day challenge that we're going to do together to keep our homes clean in January so that we can start our year with a bang. So what's going to happen is once you download this, we are just going to be working on this every day for 21 days. And we're going to be ticking and ticking so that we can, by the time the 21 days are over, we will see how easy it is to do the Fly Lady system, because it makes housework so much easier. And also, if you have a house help, there's a way that we are going to tackle that. So stay tuned. And now let's go to baby step number 1. Baby step number 1 is all about shining your sink. Now you can see my sink in all its glory. It is nighttime, my kids have gone to bed and we have had dinner. So normally before I started the Fly Lady system, you guys, I would just leave the sink like this and go and sleep like a baby. But now I have learned the best way to do it is just clean your sink so that you can come in the morning and have a bright and sparkly sink. One thing the Fly Lady says that I found to be a little bit weird is that the first step is to actually shine the literal sink, so that even if it's full of dirty dishes, first you take them out and then you scrub the sink down, and then now you bring the dishes back in. I found that to be a bit strange. I will not lie. So what I prefer to do is to actually wash the dishes first, dry them, put them away, and then we are going to scrub the sink. What she says is that the sink is like the most used equipment in your kitchen, and it's just nice to give it some TLC, which I really love. And I love the way my sink looks after I have shined it. And then she has this system of you really just scrub it down, but you don't do that every night. You scrub it down like once every month, and then after that you just maintain it every night. Okay, so the first thing to do is we're going to clean these dishes, dry them, put them away, not leave them here to drip dry. We no longer do that. And then once we have done that, we'll come and shine the literal sink by scrubbing it down. It's really amazing. Oh, the sink is so happy and I'm so happy. But first, let's tackle these dishes. So I'm done washing the dishes. Of course, if you have a dishwasher, more power to you. You can just stuff them into the dishwasher, and then we come and shine the sink, which is what we are going to do right now. So the Fly Lady says we should use, we can use anything that can scrub your sink. She encourages baking soda, yes, which we're going to sprinkle all over, and then we're going to scrub with just the dish soap that we use. And then we're going to pour some baking soda down the drain and pour hot boiling water just to clear the drain. If you have some essential oils, put a few drops in your drain, and then it's gonna smell really amazing. But first, Let us scrub it. Another way you can also do this is you can get a lemon, slice it into two, and use it as your scrubbing tool so that the lemon and the baking soda will work really well to shine your sink. But even your regular dish soap will work very well. Wow. I mean, wow, you guys. As we're waiting for the water to boil, another thing to do after you have shined your sink is to wipe down your counters in the evening, which I really like to do using the kitchen spray that I made. If you haven't watched that video, you can have a look at it. And I use the dishcloth that I've already finished using to just spray it and wipe down everything so that your kitchen looks and smells really, really amazing. So let's do that as we wait for this water to boil. Remember, we are going to change the kitchen towels and the hand towels once we are done shining our sink. That is the very last step. So that's why it's a good idea to use it to wipe down everything. So our water is boiled and ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour down about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda down the drain, because sometimes we have smells in our kitchen and you never know where they're coming from, and you'll find that sometimes it's just coming from your drainage. Now if I had some essential oils, I'll just put a few drops in there. Well, I do, but they're upstairs and I don't feel like going upstairs to get them, so let's assume I have put a few drops in there. Okay, then pour down the boiling water. So the sink is shined, the drain is clean. So the last thing we're going to do is just to wipe off the water drops. Let me tell you guys, before I started using the Fly Lady system, I would just leave my sink with water drops all over. But now I know that we are supposed to just wipe them off. Now I will use this for the kitchen towel, but it is too wet because I wiped down all the counters. So I'm going to use the hand towel because we're going to change both of them anyway at the end of the day. Now, if you want your sink to have extra shine, feel free to use some window cleaner to just spritz it. Let me see. Just spray it with a little bit of window cleaner and wipe it down, wipe it down. Oh my goodness. Can you even? Waking up in the morning and being met by this scene of an extremely shiny sink. I mean, it just brightens up your day, you know. So that's it. Normally, now on the rest of the night, after we have finished washing the dishes, I will just spray with the kitchen cleaner and then wipe it down with the kitchen towel or the hand towel, and boom, we are done. If you have a house help, of course, we are going to teach them how to do this. Our house help already knows how to shine the sink, but now is not the time to teach her yet. My preference is that before we get the house helps involved, we should be able to do these things ourselves. So the point will come when we will involve the house helps, but not right now. Right now, we are doing it ourselves. So let's toss these things in the laundry basket and get some clean one. That's the last thing we will do, is to replace the kitchen towel and the hand towel every evening. Here's another neat trick. If your place has hard water, like ours apparently does, you can take a little bit of cooking oil and dab it like on a serviette and just use it to bath your sink. This will protect it from the hard water, and then it's also going to give it that extra shine. All right? So yeah, we're sort of like just like bathing it. I don't know whether bathing is the right word. Kind of think it is. Makes it extra shinier. We don't need a lot, just very kidogo. Don't forget to go back to your printout, and we are going to just check the box for shining your sink. And then we're going to keep adding and adding. So the thing is that every night for the next 21 days, we'll be shining your sink, and then we'll be adding one more thing to do daily, so that we get these baby steps, you know, get them good. So there you have it, ladies and ladies. Baby step number 1, done. Check. So remember to download this, because you're going to need it for the next 21 days. See you tomorrow. Bye.